Welcome to the BariGirls kitchen. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda.
Today we are here making it count by preparing a delicious dish of eggplant lasagna.
And the benefits of eggplant are many. They include vitamins B6, C, K, and it contains fiber.
And we are using gluten-free wheat noodles, which is extremely helpful and beneficial to your body in reducing inflammation in your gut. And with that will help reduce issues in the bathroom.
Well, let's get started on this delicious dish.
Preheat your oven to 400. From there, on a large baking sheet, you're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. You're going to add your cherry tomatoes. So from here, after you place your tomatoes on your cooking sheet, you're going to add your garlic. We're just going to place these different areas. And we're also going to sprinkle a little bit of our herbs on here. So we have some oregano.
Salt and pepper?
Yes, salt and pepper. So we're just going to put a little bit of thyme around our baking sheet here. And then from there, we're going to take our tongs and just kind of move things around, get it oiled and covered and things like that. We're going to cut the eggplant in half. From there, we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there. And again, we're going to use a little bit of salt and pepper.
A little bit about extra virgin olive oil. It's loaded with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants.
We're going to place the cuts face down on the baking sheet. So we'll place them face down on the baking sheet and we'll bake them until they're about fork tender. It's going to take about 35 to 45 minutes, so keep that in mind. I'll take that from you.
All right.
Now that we've let things cool, we're going to add them to the food processor. So we're going to take our cherry tomatoes here, and we're going to add those on in. We're also going to put in our basil too.
Oh, I love the smell of basil.
Fresh basil. Place that top on there, lock it in place, and then get to work on there.
Perfect.
I think that's about do it there.
That'll do it. Now we're moving on to our eggplant. We're going to scoop out the flesh. Okay, and now we'll add our egg yolk, Parmigiano cheese, and lastly our ricotta. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more pepper and a little bit of salt. So we'll blend this until smooth. Now, let's get this assembled.
First, we're going to place a thin layer of sauce on the bottom of our casserole dish.
Okay. Perfect. Now we'll do a layer of our noodles.
Now, we'll do our eggplant. Okay, yeah. Once again, we're going to do a layer of, we're going to put in some mozzarella. How about that?
Can't go wrong with mozzarella.
Now we'll do a layer of sauce.
Perfect.
And we're just going to continue to do this until all the ingredients are gone.
Okay.
Or until it looks yummy enough to put in the oven.
Okay.
So we're going to pop this back in the oven for about another hour. And then once it's done, give it about 20 minutes before you serve to let it cool.
Oh, this looks so delicious. And you can serve this with a small side salad to round out your meal. Flavor overload.
Overload.
New taste for you and your family to enjoy.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.